How many Spanish-speaking countries are there in the world? Approximately how many Spanish speakers are there worldwide? A, 20 million, B, 50 million, C, 200 million, D, 450 million. What is the name of the explorer sent to discover the New World? In what year did Spain send Christopher Columbus on his expedition? What is the name of the one Spanish-speaking country located in Europe? True or false? The guitar was invented in Spain. What is the most popular sport in Spain? What is the name of the Spanish-speaking country located in North America? True or false? Mexico is the largest Spanish-speaking country in the world. True or false? This breed of dog is not named after a Mexican state. True or false? Chocolate was discovered in Mexico. True or false? All of the countries in Central America use Spanish as their official language. True or false? Central America is well known for its rainforest. What is the name of the canal that connects Central America to South America? Name at least one of the 3 islands of the Caribbean that speak Spanish. What animal does Cuba look like from the air? True or false? Puerto Ricans are not U.S. citizens. What is the name of the little frog native to Puerto Rico? True or false? All of the countries in South America use Spanish as their official language. What is the name of the mountain range in South America? A, the Rockies, B, the Andes, C, the Himalayas, D, the Alps. Which is the largest Spanish-speaking country in South America? A, Peru, B, Brazil, C, Argentina, D, Mexico. True or false? The Amazon rainforest is in South America. What is the name of the famous dance that originated in Argentina? How many Spanish-speaking countries are found in Africa?